Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about De La Cuna website reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we are going to discuss about this website's type and the products it deals with. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with Christmas related products and Halloween products. So if you're interested, then you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll talk about the other details. So first we'll check their payment method. They have given it here. You can pay through Stripe, PayPal, American Express, Discover, MasterCard, Visa, Apple Pay and some others. Now let's check the shipping policy to check the shipping timing. So here they've given it. So they have given the processing timing and the shipping timing as well. So the processing timing takes 4 to 15 business days and there are 3 shipping methods. One is standard, premium and also standard. So they have mentioned that under standard shipping timing, it takes 14 to 22 business days and under premium shipping timing, it takes 7 to 18 business days. And for the rest of the world, under standard shipping, it takes 10 to 25 business days. Also, there are other shipping timing for different countries. So in the US, it takes 5 to 20 business days. In Canada, Europe, it takes 10 to 30 business days. And in Australia and New Zealand, it takes 10 to 30 business days. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 23rd of March 2021 and it is going to expire on 23rd of March 2022. So now guys, if you want to get their About Us details, go to the About Us page section. Here they have given it. But guys, when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity. They've only given information about their company, so you can check this out. Now we are going to check the contact details. So they have also given their contact details, the main homepage, and they also have a separate page section for. So we are going to check the separate page section. So here, as you can see, they have given their full contact details. They have given the warehouse address, the marketing team, the email address, and the contact number. But we have checked the warehouse address and it seems very suspicious. It seems like they have given someone else's address. So you can check this out. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is a huge drawback of this website. So next we are going to check the return and refund policy. So here they have given it. So they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 14 days of their delivery date. Now if you want to know about the refund, click on it. So they have mentioned that they will send you money back once it has been approved to your original mode of payment within 3 to 10 business days. But guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the links through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the De La Cuna website reviews, there is no single customer review of this website anywhere, and the trust score is 3% and the business trust ranking is 48.6%, which is quite low, and the content quality is also totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the De La Cuna website reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is quite new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their genuine contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.